So if it takes 10 years to be a doctor, how long do you think it should take to be a competent digital marketer? I'd love to open it up. Like, what do you guys think? How long should it take, and how long do people think it should take?
I believe it just starts with 30-day chunks and not necessarily projecting too far into the future. Can you do something for 30 days? Can you make one video, or maybe the system Kim was talking about? Can you make 3 videos, and let ads run money on those for an entire month and determine results? Can you get into a rhythm that's going to allow you to have a sustainable momentum to be a digital marketer? It's going to take a long time, but the problem is, and I know the others will attest to this, is that the landscape changes so dramatically that this is all about what Tucker was talking about, being malleable.
How would you eat an elephant, right? How do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time. And so then it talks about putting processes in place. And so you take it one step at a time. Tucker mentioned about failure. So I believe that failure is a part of success.
I think my biggest takeaway from what I've learned so far is the adaptability aspect of it. Stubbornness only gets you so far until there's a point where you either have to change for the better, or you continue doing what you're doing, and that leads to failure. And like Dr. Kim said, I think, failure is a part of success. Everyone's going to run into it. Everyone's going to have the ups and downs. It's the fact that, you get back up on the horse that sets you apart from your peers.